So now the Julio has a question for you subscribers out there. And what is it, Julio?
What motivates you to get up every day and get this cash?
That's a good question. Leave it in the comments down below. Now, welcome back to the channel, all my hustlers and grinders, and we're back with another video. And JoJo, what's this video about?
Well, today is a ride-along premiere video, so we're watching this along with you. So make sure you drop a line, say hi in chat, ask us some questions, because we're watching this right along with you. Today we have the Julio with us, and we've got some jobs on the list, and you're coming along.
So make sure you smash that like button, and let's get this money.
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 So we are at the first job of the day, and this job came from a referral. We had a repeat customer that referred somebody to us.
So here's the first job of the day, and all this trash right here goes. And Julio, we got an easy one today, besides the glass piece inside the house, which is pretty damn heavy, I do believe. Are you ready?
Ready.
What's up with that shirt? Mr. Julio Klein.
Try to be a model. No, I'm just saying.
Whatever. And also, inside the house, we have a glass tabletop, and just a glass piece goes, which I'll show you what it looks like. And it's gonna be a heavy one. This piece of glass right here goes. So that will be the first thing that we grab. So check it out, the JoJo stealing shit. JoJo, what are you doing?
That's what it's here for.
Are you sure? Okay, I thought that was a federal offense. So we're heading to the next one. So the first job is complete, and if you can see, the JoJo stealing books over here from the neighbors. So here's the chancy tip of the day. Whenever you're in a nice neighborhood and they're giving books away for free, scan them, look them up, and put them online for sale and make that extra cash. And that's the chancy tip of the day.
So we are at the next job of the day. This is a repeat customer because we've already done about 3 full loads here. This is what we've gotten done so far. Some of the stuff we're not taking. We're leaving the beams, we're leaving all the metal, but we have a huge pile over here that we are going to tackle today. So let's check it out. This is the pile that we are tackling today.
And we call this the pile from hell. And really, it's not that bad.
No, not that bad. It's getting worse.
Yeah, it is a good sized pile, but as you can see, we are very close to our truck.
So let's get it. So we were here a couple days ago, and there was a sign right here with a knife in it that said, "Don't take my cans." And the customer was not playing. JoJo, did that not freak you out?
It's like, man, I'm not taking that person's cans.
I thought he was a killer for sure. So you guys want to do a thumbnail or what? Huh? Thumbnail? Anyone want to do a thumbnail or what? Is it just me? You ready? Come on, Julio. Let's give him a good one this time. I think that works. hope you guys enjoyed watching me, the Julio, and the JoJo wrestle and all that nasty, dirty stuff, huh, guys? Was that not bad?
Dusty.
I took a dust bath or dust shower. So anyways, Julio, what's your prediction of the dump fee on this one right here?
I say 85.
85. And JoJo?
77.
77? Damn. I'm gonna say 69, my favorite number. Now we're heading to the dumps. Now, let's talk a little bit of trash. Actually, the JoJo was talking trash about how I used to be back in the day when I used to be super chancy. Actually, I was super cheap. The stuff I used to eat back in the day, JoJo.
I know. I was telling Julio how Matthew used to make spread. And he would take like top ramen noodles and crush them up and put mayonnaise and tuna in it and mix it all together. And I would watch him eat this. And I'm thinking, oh God, it's like the nastiest thing I ever seen or smelled. And he would just eat that like he was just so used to it. And then I said, my, how times have changed. Because now when we go to like a fancy restaurant, sometimes he'll eat it and he was just like, I just don't know if this place is good enough. I don't think we'll come back here. And I'm like, wow, have your taste buds changed?
You see top ramen and tuna fish, now I eat lobster, steak, and sushi. And remember, just 7 years ago, I was working at the deli, making $15 an hour, and I would cut meat on the deli block thing, and every customer that got a pound, I took 2 pieces and ate them.
You'd get fired if they knew that.
I'm not tripping. I was trying to save money. I was broke as hell, JoJo.
You gotta do what you gotta do sometimes.
Yeah,
You
you
do.
do. So leave a comment down below. What do you do to save money, or what did you used to do in the past when you were like broke and you were just scrimping and saving? And how has your life changed now? Do you eat better now, or do you still, save money and eat a different way?
I'll tell you guys a couple recipes that I know. You can make cheese and hot sauce sandwiches to save money. You can do top ramen with eggs on top of the top ramen. You can do oatmeal with peanut butter. You can even do popcorn and put the top ramen seasoning on top. It is killer. It's like a gourmet meal. You can do macaroni and cheese with hot dogs in there. That's gourmet too.
It's not gourmet.
So if you guys want my cookbook, let me know. Leave a comment down below and I'll ship it out to you guys for only $9.99.
The Cheap and Chancy cookbook by Matt Vick.
By Matt Vick. Now I got a question for you subscribers out there. How long have you been watching this channel for? Leave it in the comments. So who do you think won? Was it me? Was it the JoJo? Or was it Modo Julio?
Bling bling, ching ching. Number 1.
Whatever, Julio. So we're heading back to the job. What was it?
111.
111. So we're back for round number 2, and JoJo, what goes?
Well, nothing that's metal. Those have to stay. And so we're just going to kind of rake up and pick up a lot of this wood that's just sitting here. And then we have the back pile to still tackle.
And let me show you guys that. And me and the Julio got a bunch of it done, and the JoJo too. I can't forget about her. So back over here, we still got to tackle all this stuff right here. Needs to go. The metal staying. And then over here, there's some more stuff that needs to go. Right back here, a couple bicycles, this thing right here, and yeah. So let's get it.
So I have a question for you. Why do you watch this channel? Do you own a small business? Do you have a junk removal company? Or do you just watch us for fun? I'm curious to know.
And I got a question, JoJo. Why are we doing this job? And there's a trailer over there.
Good question.
That's a good question. What do you think, Julio?
Good question. I don't know.
So Julio has another question.
Are there some jobs you guys don't tackle?
Just want to let you guys know I look real good today. I look real good today. The JoJo don't think so, though. Now, this is for you new haulers out there. Whenever you see an old style TV and it's a Sony, make sure it don't say Trinitron. Because if it does, you best believe you're gonna need some help. Julio, are these TVs heavy or what?
Heavy as heck, man.
Super heavy, so don't break your back. So check this out. I got some serious dingleberries all over my body, on my gloves, everywhere. I gotta pick all these out later on today. Julio, you wanna start picking these out for me right now? I'm just kidding. I got a hell of them though. Check that out. Sexy old dad bod right there. About 5 months pregnant, baby. Look at that sucker, Julio. You don't know nothing about that.
Eating good.
Eating real good. So we're done with the job. And JoJo, what's your prediction of the dump fee on this one?
80.
Julio?
99.
99, you dirtbag. I'm gonna say 100. So leave a comment down below what you guys think. Now we're heading to the landfill. You ready?
Yeah.
Let's roll on out.
Roll.
So just like that, guess who won? The JoJo Lena. It was $83. And this is the first time in history, whenever we made a video, I didn't win. One.
That's not true. One day recently, I won all 3 times.
What are you talking about, JoJo? Come
3
on
times.
now, whatever. Anyway, so we're done with the day, and Julio had another question. And what is it, Julio?
How do you guys feel when you guys see other haulers or people starting a business and they look at you guys and they get inspired by you guys as a hauling power couple? How do you guys feel about that?
It's a real blessing. That makes me feel real good.
It does. It actually feels amazing. I really like it. We get lots of emails and messages and phone calls from other people that said that we actually changed their life. And that's an incredible feeling. As somebody that had a job and they didn't want to work there anymore, and then, you know, they came across our videos and they thought, hey, they're doing this, I'm going to try it too. And then they're successful at it and their whole life has changed because they came across our videos. And I think, wow, to know that you had the power to actually change someone's life is amazing.
And I can't believe we have 21,000 subscribers and it keeps going up. It's amazing.
It is amazing. We had no idea when we started that it would be as big as it is, and it's going to get even bigger, and we love it.
And I can't believe you guys out there, the viewers, like watching us pick up trash all day. I think maybe you like seeing the JoJo bend over, and maybe you like looking at me a little bit. I'm not sure. And maybe you like the Julio's laugh. He's all holding his beer like, yeah, I know I look good today.
I look good today.
I look real good today. But anyways, hopefully you like this video. Make sure you smash that like button. Anything else you want to say, JoJo?
Well, leave a comment and let us know, why do you watch us? I really want to know. I asked this earlier in the video, and if you haven't answered that yet, please answer it, because I want to know why you watch us.